Welcome back with another update on the May snowstorms. I thought today would be final update, but Nebraska proved me wrong, and you guys will see what I mean then. But nonetheless, despite the severe weather potential in this area, parts of New York and Pittsburgh will still see, Pennsylvania will still see snow today. So there's that. Mostly higher elevations and not much in the way of accumulation. And if there's any accumulation, it might get washed away by rain later on. So to Michigan, it's mostly, it's going to turn into mostly rain, especially on land, and then pretty much die off by the time it gets to Detroit. But then finally, this area, which I will zoom out for. But again, not much in the way of accumulations in this area. At least I don't expect much in the way of accumulation. It's pretty much going to go mostly rain. But then snow will try to take over again. Cannot rely on some flakes in Denver. But accumulations, like I said, not much in the way of accumulations for any of this. But nonetheless, this winter has proven to be very delayed. So, with that, that is it. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Actually, today may be final update with how things are going. So, yeah. Anyways, that is it. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.